Entire contracts are a crucial element in legal agreements, providing clarity and protection for all parties involved. But what exactly are they, and why are they so important? An entire contract is an agreement where all parties must fully complete their obligations before they can demand performance from others. This type of contract is indivisible, meaning it functions as a single unit. If one party fails to fulfill their duties, the entire contract may be nullified. One of the key features of entire contracts is that they typically include an entire contract clause. This clause stipulates that the written document represents the complete agreement between parties, excluding any verbal agreements or prior negotiations not explicitly included in the contract. Entire contracts and their clauses are particularly valuable in industries such as insurance, construction, and entertainment. They provide a clear framework for complex agreements, preventing potential legal complications that could arise from informal arrangements or misunderstandings. For example, in insurance policies, an entire contract clause ensures that claims are evaluated based solely on the written policy document. This protects the insurer from being held accountable for promises or representations made outside the official contract. In construction agreements, entire contracts align all parties on project scope, timelines, and costs, significantly reducing the risk of disputes. Similarly, in service contracts and employment agreements, these clauses safeguard against unwarranted claims by consolidating all terms in writing. The practical benefits of entire agreement clauses are numerous. They minimize disputes by limiting arguments to what's explicitly written, maintain contractual integrity by ensuring the contract is the sole reference point, and simplify enforcement for courts and mediators. However, it's important to be aware of potential risks. One such risk is that items in a contract can still be changed after both parties have signed, which is why many entire contracts also include a variation clause. This clause specifies the procedure for amending the contract post-signing. To maximize the effectiveness of entire contracts, there are several best practices to follow. First, always include a variation clause to allow for mutually agreed modifications. Second, ensure all key discussions and agreements made during negotiations are incorporated into the final contract. Lastly, engage legal professionals to draft and review contracts, as their expertise can help avoid potential loopholes. In conclusion, entire contracts play a vital role in legal agreements across various industries. By mandating full completion of all terms, consolidating agreements into a single document, and providing clarity and protection, they serve as a powerful tool in preventing disputes and ensuring comprehensive documentation. Whether you're dealing with insurance policies, construction projects, or service agreements, understanding and properly implementing entire contracts can significantly enhance your legal and business operations.